If you would like to see the transformation of this hair from this to this, just continue to watch the video. Do not skip any single part. Alright, the kit we are using for today's tutorial is called Legion Coil Coconut Oil Kit that I got for about 6,000 to 7,000 Naira Nigerian currency. In the kit, you get the cold wave cream. We'll also show you guys how I used the product. And then you also get the neutralizer. You also get the coil booster. You also get the defining coil gel. And you also get the transparent shower cap and a pamphlet on how to use the product, instructions, all the process needed, time, and all that you need to do, or the method you need to do, the process you need to do, or the process you need to take for the whole procedure. So this is the JHERI CURLl rollers I'll be using, and I really love to use the smallest size. So if you're an OG, you already know that I've used this particular rollers like a couple of times, like I've used it so many times. So I'm using, for this particular hair, I'm using, just so that the coils will be pronounced, I'm using about 5 to 6 packs, and in a pack you get about 12 pieces. So first I'm going to be applying the cold wave cream on her hair without washing. While in the Hollywood kit, you do have to wash the client's hair first with shampoo before applying the cold wave cream. So for this kit, you don't need to wash the client's hair. You just apply the cold wave cream on the person's hair or the client's hair, like so. And to apply the cold wave cream, I am going to be sectioning her hair into 3 different portions, and I'm going to be starting on the back. We'll start from the back first and then gradually work my way to the front. So sectioning it into 3 will just help me, or to make the work actually easier. This is so that I can easily just work my way through the application, like to the front. After sectioning the hair into 3 different portions, we just start applying the cold wave cream. And while applying, you also try as much as possible to massage the hair, because we need the product to penetrate through the scalp and also the tip of, from her scalp, the scalp of her hair to the tip of her hair. So we'll be massaging it so that the product can penetrate through all over the hair. Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Hope we're all doing good. If it's your first time watching my video or watching any video from this channel, that means you are actually new here. Just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Share this video to friends and family, friends, loved ones, just share it. You never can tell who really needs to watch this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and also leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll advise you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. So today's video is on this hairstyle. I've been getting lots of requests for this particular hairstyle, the transformation on how to turn a natural hair into a coily hairstyle. A lot of you have been sending me DMs both on Instagram and also on Facebook. So in this video, we'll be showing you guys the step to take to just achieve this hairstyle. So after the first application or applying the product on all 3 portions of the hair or 3 sections of the hair, we'll then start combing the hair gradually, just to loosen it a little bit or to help it to straighten up a little bit. You do this portion or piece by piece or portion by portion. Then after that, you just go ahead to add more product to that section and still comb it. So you're combing each section like twice, just to help it to straighten up a little bit. So after doing this on this portion, we still go ahead to repeat the same process on the other portion. So right now, we just allow you guys to see for yourself or watch it so that you get a better view of what I'm doing. So once I'm done applying the product, we'll just go ahead to put all three sections into, or all three portions into one section or one portion. So once I'm done with the application, we just allow the hair for like about 20 minutes. This is for this product actually, like 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 or 15 to 20 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead to wash the product using only shampoo. This product did not come with a shampoo, so I'm going to use like the saloon shampoo, the regular shampoo in the market. So I'm just going to wash the hair with the shampoo. While in the Hollywood kit, it comes with a shampoo, so you will use the shampoo to wash the client hair. So yeah, so I'm going to be washing it, wash the shampoo, wash the product out of the client's hair, make sure that everything is neat, and after washing, I'm going to, with shampoo, I'm going to be using a neutralizer to apply, just to neutralize the product, neutralize everything, the chemical, everything. And then after that, we'll still go ahead to rinse. All right, after rinsing, we go ahead to use a towel to just take off the water, like just to dry off the water so that the hair will be damp. Next, I'm going to go in with this coil booster on her hair. This will help achieve the coil. Anything at all where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another. I'm rolling the hair in no particular order. To achieve like a tight full coils, you have to take the hair in little portions or little sections before coiling. And also, while coiling or while rolling, you have to make sure, you have to try as much as, I know it's slippery while rolling, but you have to try to make it or secure it tight enough or firm enough. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it. For this, I'm going to be using the rollers, and that's, I'm going to be rolling her hair from the tip of her hair down to the root of her hair, and then after that, we'll just use the strap that comes with the rollers to just secure it. So you make sure that if you are doing this hairstyle, you make sure that you secure it very tight. So now, if you really want to achieve good coils, you have to use the same rollers. You don't need to like improvise. You have to use the same, this particular rollers from the beginning of the hair down to the end of the hair, so that you achieve the same result. And when you are rolling it, you try as much as possible to roll it very tight, so that when you are washing the hair, it won't loosen. So this coil booster is going to help coil the hair. So in this case, that's for this product itself, you can actually just coil your hair and then come back again after a month or two to recoil it without going in with the cold wave cream itself. You can just coil after like wearing the hair for a long time, and you notice that the coils are fading out. You can come back for us to actually use the coil booster to reboost the coils, just to coil it alone. So yeah, no need for the cold wave cream. So we're just going to be we'll just use just the coil booster on it without the cold wave cream. But on the Hollywood cream, after losing the coils, you have to come back for a total or a proper JHERI curl process. But for this cream or for this product, you do not need to start from the beginning. That's after losing just the coils alone. After losing the coils alone, after like a month, you can come back for us to use, or you can come back to use, or you can use only the coil booster to reboost or recoil the hair. So we'll be rolling the hair gradually. Like you guys can see, I am rolling the hair gradually, and I'm taking pieces, like piece by piece. This is so that the hair or the coils can come out well defined. So like I said before, I use about 5 to 6 packs of the smallest size. So I also use the smallest size for like long hairs and also short hairs. This is for the coils to be pronounced after the whole process. So you just take your time to coil, like to roll and roll the hair, wrap the hair around the rollers. Take your time, because this can actually break or make the whole process, or break or make the end result. So just take your time to roll the hair piece by piece, like little portions, little, as possible. After that, I'm just going to go ahead to use the shower cap that comes with the kit to just cover the hair, and then we're going to wait for like 30 to 45 minutes. The reason why we waited for that long is because my client said she wants the coils to be very pronounced, so that's why we started to wait for this long before washing of the product of the chemical. So I also didn't show the part where we were washing the hair, but we washed the hair with the rollers on the head. We didn't unravel the rollers before washing, so we washed the hair with the rollers on her hair. What we did was just to rinse the hair. We didn't use like a shampoo or any conditioner or anything. We just rinsed, make sure we rinsed off all the chemicals from the hair, and then after that we decided to use the neutralizer to also neutralize the chemical, just so that it won't continue to process. All right now we are done washing. I'm just going to unravel the rollers. So I usually love, like I said before, I love to use the smaller size for my clients, just so that the coils will stay for a long time, and also so that the coils will be well defined. And with the fact that her head is short, but even when the client head is long, I really love to use the smallest size. If you are curious on where to get both the kit and the rollers, you can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. We also sell products for hair, that's hair care product, and also like weave-ons, luxury hairs, different textures, bone straight, bounce, wavy, in coils, anyone you want, wig bundles, we have them all. So you can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. Then after unraveling, we're just going to use the transparent gel that came with it, that came with the kit. We're going to use it on it, apply. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Hope it's helpful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, go ahead to give this video a big thumbs up, and also share to friends and family, loved ones, and also people that you think will actually need to watch the video. Leave a comment of the next hairstyle you want to see up next on this channel, and also leave a comment on what you think about this hairstyle. Subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, you can send me a DM of the next hairstyle you want to see up next on this channel, like I said before, or you can send me a message on Facebook. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Share the video like I said before, and leave a comment. So yeah, take care of yourself, and bye.